Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another John Chow screencast. It is the first of the month, and that means it is time for another MOBE income report. That's right, exciting time. I've been doing these reports for the last little while, and I do them for a couple of reasons. The first one is to inspire and motivate you, to show you what is possible. And the second one is to prove that it is possible to make money online. So I'm showing you how much money I make, so you can see that this is real, this is not some hype made up stuff, all right? But before we begin, a couple of disclaimers. I'm showing you my results, all right? Now, I am a unique case. My result is nowhere average and is nowhere indicative of how much you can expect to make if you join MOBE, all right? You may do better, you may do worse, but keep in mind that this is my results, and I've been in this business, I've been an internet marketer for over 10 plus years, so I have a lot of experience at this and doing it for a long time. I do know what I'm doing. A person starting out, do not expect to make anywhere close to this, okay? Just keep that in mind, all right? So, and with that out of the way, let's just log in and see what we did. This is a MOBE Consultant's back office. That's where we log in to find out our stats and stuff. So let's do that right now. Log in. Okay, then what now we do is we go to transaction here on the top, transaction, and then we'll just go to this month, last month result. Here we go, last month. All right, so last month I sold a total of 652 items, 18 of them are pending. That resulted in a payout of $61,836.86. And there was also $20,448.41 of pending sales. Pending sales means the sale has been made, and we're just waiting for the bank to transfer the money. So they're in transit, or the customer has to still got to sign the contract, that kind of stuff. But the sale was made last month. So when you add up the pending and the payout, that comes to $82,285.27. Now, not included in those two numbers are additional bonuses that I get from MOBE for being a top consultant, and other bonuses. One of them is I get a car bonus. My car, my Tesla Model X, is paid for by MOBE. I don't pay for it, so they pay for that car. There's also, last month there was a contest in which I won like $400. And there's also a speaker bonus where I get paid when I go to the events and I speak at those events. And anyway, those all those bonuses add up together last month, came up to $8,589.20, and that brings my total MOBE income for April 2018 to $90,874.47. So it sounds great. Most people, this will sound great. Actually, to me, this is actually below average. It is actually well off what I normally do in MOBE. But hey, you know, there are good months and there are bad months. Last month was just for me anyway, it was a relatively kind of a bad month. But still, if you look at it, I'm not really complaining. I mean, let's just face it. Once you add in my income from my other online sources, I have over a dozen income sources online that makes me money. Add that all together, I'm well into the six figures. So, and anytime I make over, any month where I do over 100 grand a month, I consider a good month. So overall, last month was a good month. All right, so questions. I always get questions whenever I post this kind of stuff. Like made over $90,000 last month. The first question people ask is, how much money did I spend to make this make this amount? Like, what was my advertising budget? The answer is zero, still zero. That's right. I don't spend any ad money to promote MOBE. All my traffic is done organically from search engine, social media, organic traffic. They come to my blog, they come to my YouTube channel, and then what I do is I funnel this traffic onto the MOBE offers, and then MOBE does the rest and sells the rest, and that's basically it. So it's a pretty cool business model. It's not a lot of other MOBE affiliates. They spend money on advertising, and whichever way you want to do it, it's up to you. Right? I prefer the organic method. A lot of other affiliates like to do the paid traffic method. Some people do a combination of both. Another question I get is, how much time do I spend on MOBE? How much time do I spend doing this? And the answer to that question is really not that much at all, honestly. MOBE is probably the least amount of time I spent on my online activity, but it's also the most profitable. It is definitely by far the most profitable in terms of time in, money out. By comparison, my YouTube channel, making these videos, it's probably the least profitable thing I do, because my YouTube channel makes around $1,000 to $1,500 a month from the YouTube ads. But in terms of actually spending time to produce the videos and stuff, I mean, the amount of hours I do this compared to MOBE, yeah, it's total disconnect. But hey, it's fun. I like producing these videos, so yeah. Another question is, how do I find out more about MOBE? How do I join? What does it sell? All the other stuff. And the easiest way to find out more about this business is simply to go through my 21-step ultimate.com lifestyle coaching program. This is a program that I made with MOBE. It's a 21-step, step-by-step system to teach you this business, how we market, how we make money, and yeah, basically how we do it. It's a $49 one-time fee, no recurring fee, anything, but it allows you to go for all 21 steps and gives you a one-on-one coach that works with you, help you, and guide you to teach you how I do what I do. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not, for any reason, find this is not for you, then hey, not a problem. Just go get your money back. But the reason I have this is, well, first of all, it saves me from answering a lot of questions and stuff. And if someone's really interested, the $49 is $49. They'll just pay it, go through it. They like it, great. If they don't like it, get a refund. No problem. No, not problem at all. All right. So yeah, like $90,874.47. Like I said, not my best month, but hey, it's I'm not gonna honestly, I'm not gonna complain. It's pretty good money. It's pretty good money. Yeah. All right, John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching my screencast. I hope this motivates you. I hope this inspires you. If you look at my situation, like where I come from, I mean, those of you who has watched my channel for a while, then you know my story. I mean, I wasn't born into money. I came from a small farming village in mainland China. The house I grew up in had no running water, no electricity. Cooking was done by an open fire. Right? When I immigrated to Canada, I grew up in the downtown east side, and that's the poorest neighborhood in all of Canada. So, my story is truly a rag to riches story. I mean, if even 5 years ago, if you would have told me that my life would be like this, that I would be living in a waterfront house overlooking Dana Point, making over $1 million a year. I mean, I would have said no way. But this is possible. It is possible. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. And it's not like a cakewalk. You will have to work. It does require effort, and it does require a lot of dedication and single-mindedness, because along the way, you're gonna be facing pressure, you're gonna be facing haters, you're gonna be facing a lot of things. If you can overcome those, you just stick to it and just have the drive to do it. It is possible, but it's not easy, but it is possible. All right, and if you're willing to do it, then I look forward to meeting you at a future event, shaking your hand, and just having some fun. All right, so johnchow.com. Thank you very much. You want more information, the link to the 21-step program as well as my ebook is below this video. Click on it, and I'll see you guys in the next screencast, next video. Well, enjoy. Bye, guys.